Tian Jing, Chapter 1, How to Use the LouPan. The inner ring, the earth plate to measure the 72 dragons. The red line on the LouPan shows Jiachen fire Na Ying. Once the needle are set, the LouPan can be removed to look at the red line. This is the inner ring, the earth plate showing the 72 dragons based on Na Ying. The Jiachen fire Na Ying, which will determine the formation. For this case, we are referring to a fire formation. The outer ring, which is the heaven plate, represented by the 24 mountains. Jia double mountain. The double mountain including Jia and Yin. The heaven plate is a little bit in front of the earth plate, showing that heaven chi is dynamic and earth chi is more static. Chapter 1 in Tian Jing on the use of LouPan, incorporating the earth plate for 72 dragons and the heaven plate for 24 mountains.